a holistic approach to technology. Can it give you an edge in the retail space? I'm James Hilliard for Connection, and 3 retail experts that I recently spoke with believe that Aruba, Connection, and Zebra have you covered from A to Z.
The reality is that with the world changing as quickly as it is, and I don't see the change slowing down, retailers are looking for partners more than they ever have in the past.
To me, it's now a must-have. And why would you not want to sit down with people who work on these technologies every single day?
One example that comes to mind is contact tracing. If you have that extensible infrastructure, then you can go to a company like Zebra and say, we'd like to deploy contact tracing. Can you help me? And the answer can be yes. As opposed to an approach with all these point solutions, the answer probably would have been no.
And folks, if you would like to hear more from our team and explore other retail-related content, please visit us online at connection.com/retail.